Hi everyone, Simon Keeling here with your flying weather outlook for the weekend and the week ahead, brought to you exclusively by Flyer in association with weatherschool.co.uk. Thanks again for watching. And actually, it looks like being a decent few days of flying. We got high pressure in control. Now, as always at this time of year, that can present some problems with some fog patches, which I think are mostly going to be across the south on Friday. The weekend looks as if it is going to be generally fair under that high pressure. Probably some cloud in the west, and I think more inland areas seeing some morning mist and fog, but that tending to clear. And even into next week, conditions are looking pretty good. Now, big announcement for you today, because I'm going to be holding a classroom-based Aviation Weather School Part 1. Yep, this is going to be on Saturday, the 1st of April, here in Wombourne. So we're about 3 miles from Wolverhampton Halfpenny Green Airport, and it's going to be between 10 o'clock and 4 p.m. and this is your chance in the classroom environment to learn way more about weather, taking you beyond the PPL. You'll learn how to plan 5 days in advance. You'll be able to spot weather windows, and you'll build your confidence in forecasting yourself as well, and the knowledge that if you've got passengers with you, if you've got your family with you, to know that when you go flying, they're going to feel comfortable, they're going to feel safe as well. Now, you can book your place now. As you know, place is always limited, so get to weatherschool.co.uk and that's available for booking now. It'll be absolutely super to see you there. Okay, so this is how things look for Thursday. A fair day, morning fog across southern areas, but generally I think it is going to be a fair afternoon. Some wind and some rain affecting northern and western parts of Scotland, but even here, probably marginal at times in a few places, generally though non-VFRable. Now for Friday morning, a few mist and fog patches across southern areas at first. They will clear away. More cloud around generally on Friday, but for many areas it looks as if it is going to be a flyable afternoon. Bit breezy, westerlies coming in about 15 knots across much of central southern England and Wales. Bases 4,000 feet, tops at about 8,000 feet. Now across the north of England, across Scotland, going more marginal here because of those winds, gusting up to 25 to 30 knots, but the weather generally fair. Northern and western Scotland windy, a risk of some gales here, and I think generally non-VFR. Now through Saturday, high pressure is to the south on Saturday. Fog patches on Saturday morning across more southern areas. That will clear, and then it looks as if we're in for another fair day. Generally good conditions, mostly light winds, lighter than on Friday, but some low cloud across western and southern coasts of Ireland. We're looking at bases around about the 4,000 foot mark, I think tops at about 6,000 feet. Just watch out again for a little bit more low cloud across northwestern Scotland. On Sunday, little changes. Again, maybe 1 or 2 fog patches around first thing, particularly in central, eastern and southern England, but they will clear away, and then it looks as if it should be fair once again. Again, plenty of cloud around, 4,000 foot bases, 7,000 foot tops, bits and pieces of drizzle western Ireland and western parts of Scotland. For Monday, high pressure stays off towards the east. Could find some low cloud again for southern and western Ireland, but most areas are going to be fair. Yes, morning fog again, but again, that clears away. I think again, a fair amount of cloud around, particularly in western areas. Brighter in the east, bases around 3,000 feet, tops at about 7,000 feet. And then getting into Tuesday in the middle of the week, high pressure staying with us off towards the east. Again, morning fog patches across central and eastern parts, but they should clear fairly quickly. And then the day itself should be fair once more. Flyable conditions, bases of around 3,000 feet, tops about 6,000 feet. And just watch out for bits and pieces of rain once again, affecting southern and western coasts of Ireland and also across western parts of Scotland. But of course, we'll keep you updated on that. Okay, I'll leave you with that for now. Don't forget to get to weatherschool.co.uk. Get yourself booked on that classroom course on Saturday, the 1st of April. It'll run between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. And yeah, you'll have a great time. If you've not been to Aviation Weather School yet, go to the website, look at the reviews, see what other pilots have said. You will get so much from it, and I look forward to seeing you there. Okay, I'll leave you with that for now. Whatever you're doing, thanks again for watching. Keep the sun shining, and bye for now.